Hello everyone, my name is Anastasia Mulfar, and today I'll be talking to you about the network of the Project Melanoma. To begin with, stating melanoma, which I'll also be referring in the video as the Melanoma Foundation, is a foundation in the Netherlands that wants to reduce the number of melanoma cases. In order to do so, they want to make a campaign, and they went to the Den Haag University of Applied Science, specifically to the ICM students, to help them come up with an idea for their campaign. So the Den Haag University students are going to come up with the idea. They'll send it to the Melanoma Foundation. They will make a campaign out of it and execute it, and they will send it to the public. The public will then view it and then send feedback or back to the organization, and the organization, together with the ICM students again, may come up with an improved version or even another campaign. So the relationship between these three is called a network. Now moving on, in this network we have three nodes: the public, the ICM students, and the Melanoma Foundation. And right here, the most important node is the Melanoma Foundation, and it can also be known as the center. Why is it the center? Well, it is the center because on its own, the foundation has a broader network. So we see here that I've categorized the foundation's network into three. You have one that has to do with science and research, another one that has to do with public education, and one that has to do with public itself. Let's start with the science and research. So they have a lot, but I shortened it into two examples. This one is the GMO and the LUMC. So we go to their website right here, and you see that they are really concerned about research about the skin and health and melanoma cases. And the LUMC, also known as the Leiden University Medical Center, is also into research in the scientific part of the issue. And now we'll move on to the second category, which is the public education. The first one is Check Your Fleck and the other one is Leven met Kanker. So Check Your Fleck is right here. And you see that this one, Check Your Fleck means check your scar. And this one educates the public about how to check out for signs for melanoma. And the other one is Leven met Kanker, which also means living with cancer. And it's a platform where people with the disease share their stories and communicate with other people who wants to know more about the disease. Okay, so the last one is the public, which is Facebook and Twitter in this case. And we'll see right here that the Melanoma Foundation also has a Facebook community, and they have almost 5,000 viewers, which is very good because they can reach a lot of people in a short amount of time. And they also have a Twitter page which has over 500 followers, and they already have about 4,035 tweets, and these includes campaign about melanoma, about skin protection, and in that way they're able to influence the public behavior. So back to our board, let's zoom in and look at the summary of this network. This is the bigger picture. Here you have your core. We have the core network of the project, and this with three nodes, and the Spectrum Melanoma or the Melanoma Foundation is the most important because on its own it has a broader network, and these networks that the melanoma has is very beneficial to the Den Haag University students because they get access to research on the topic on melanoma. They also get to see previous campaigns, and they get to see how the public reacts. So it's good for them for their research in order to come up with an idea. On the other hand, the public also benefits from melanoma's network because it gets access to all these medical information or scientific information, and also to engage with other people on these platforms. Although the public already has a network with Check Your Fleck with the public education domain, which is logical. So guys, that is my explanation. I hope you liked it. So Thank you for viewing it, and have a nice day.